good morning or good evening wherever you are. Today I'm going to be coming to you guys with a no makeup tutorial and kind of a tutorial on how to get that glass skin look also. So first, before I start, I'm going to make sure I have clean, fresh skin. So I'm going to go in with this Peter Thomas Roth Pumpkin Enzyme Mask, which is basically just a chemical exfoliant. So I'm going to do that. Also, I've washed my face and cleansed it and whatnot. So just go ahead and do that. So once that's all done, I'm going to continue on with my toner, which is just this rose water toner that I've used a couple of times on this channel. And then I'm also going to go in with my serum from The Ordinary, which is the Buffet Serum. And it is incredible, especially for this kind of look. So next I'm going to go in with my everyday moisturizer from The Ordinary. And I'm also going to follow it along with this face oil, which is basically crucial to get this glowy, everyday, no makeup look. So I'm going to start filling in my brows. I'm not going to go too heavy or too crazy or anything, but because my brows are kind of sparse, we're just going to kind of fake the entire look of the full brow look. And then after I do this, I'm basically going to give that soap brow trick a go, just to also fake that full brow look, especially if we don't have it. If you guys would also like a full in-depth tutorial on how to achieve that full brow look, especially when you don't have it, let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to put that out for you guys. Okay, next, this is a little bit of a weird trick, but I'm just going to go in with two primers actually, and I only really do it for this tutorial. So basically I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer for the T-zone area, and then I'm going to go in with the Ordinary High Adherence Primer for the rest of my face. Very, very weird trick, but I don't know, it just kind of works for this kind of look. Next, I'm going to go in with just my L'Oreal True Match foundation. I'm just going to use a tiny bit because basically all we're trying to do is not like cover the face or, you know, go really full coverage, just kind of even out the skin tone, and that's about it. But I also don't want to get rid of all of the little flaws and whatnot. Yeah, just kind of have it looking as natural as possible. Just warm up the face just a tiny bit. Next, I'm going to go in with this Makeup Revolution concealer, and it's really close to my skin tone, so I'm just going to use this just to brighten up the under eye area just a tiny bit, or just really the eye area in general. Nothing too crazy again. I really want this to look like my skin, but better. And then next, I'm just going to use my fingers just to blend the entire eye area, because just the warmth of my fingers just add to that natural, beautiful look that really just looks like your skin, honestly. So no brushes in this entire thing. Next, I'm going to go in with just this red lipstick and I'm just gonna apply it onto my cheeks in place of a cream blush. I'm still, guys, if you have any good cream blushes, let me know. I actually haven't even gone ahead and invested in one yet, but like literally the lipstick will do. It's always worked for me. And I'm just going to apply that everywhere, including my nose, because if you guys saw my French girl tutorial, I just love the look of that. And then I'm also going to follow it along with this liquid highlighter from Red Earth. Again, I don't know if they sell it like in this same packaging, but I'll see if I can link this all below. Such a beautiful look, and it really does help me to achieve that glass skin look. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with that exact same color, so whatever color that you used on your cheeks, I'm just gonna apply that to my lips and just dab it around. Nothing too crazy, just like the tiniest bit, really. Mascara. Again, you can skip this entire bit, and also if you do apply mascara, you also don't need to apply it on your bottom lashes, whatever's more comfortable. And then next I'm just going to top it up with this lip balm. And that is basically it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.
Hey, popping like I'm supposed to. Watch out for the people that ain't close to. Speak a little something you could toast to. I ain't tryna hear about what you won't do. Moving like I'm into. Hit the ground running like the rent do. Speak a little something that you're into. I ain't tryna hear about what you been through. Like hold up, say what's the hold up. I got the pack, who got the roll up? I'm tryna pull up. It seem like every time I show up, it gotta go up. See the drip, they see the glow up. Oh, now they know us. See, it's funny how my pockets out of shape, but I'm fit for the flex. Clear the phone call, he might